Okay, student. So today we will start chapter number 10, circle, and we will try to solve the exercise 10.1 from the chapter. Okay, so let us see. The center of a circle lies in blank of the circle. So as we know that center is in the interior part of the circle, so we will say that there are two options is given, exterior or interior. So the center is in the interior part. Okay, now the next question, a point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in blank of the circle, so it is called exterior part. So as we can see, this is the circle and this distance is known as radius of the circle. If any point is outside from the circle, the distance of that point will be greater than its radius. Okay, so it will be on the exterior part of the circle, so the answer will be exterior. Now the next question, the longest chord of the circle is blank of the circle. So if you see, if you draw the chords on the circle, this chord, now this chord which will pass through the center, the chord which will pass through the center will be the longest chord. So it will be the diameter of the circle. Okay, you can see more chords are like this is a chord of the circle, this is the chord of the circle, but the longest chord will be the diameter of the circle. Okay, if you draw in this manner, if you draw in this manner, the all chord which is the longest in size will be the diameter of the circle. Now next question, an arc is blank when it is and its ends are the ends of diameter. See, let us draw the arc whose ends are the diameter, so it will become a semicircle. Okay, you can take another arc which is not in diameter, so it will not become a semicircle. When the end points of the arc, when the end points of the arc is a diameter, it will form a semicircle. Okay, when the end points of the arc, okay, in the curve part, okay, so it will be the semicircle. Now the next question, segment of a circle is the region between arc and chord. Now see, if this is a circle and you make an arc on the circle, okay, so this region is called segment. Okay, and this region or with a triangle is called sector. So it is very easy to understand. If you have a shape like a pizza piece, it will be a sector, and if you remove this triangle from the sector, okay, it will become a segment. So what is a segment? Segment is the region between arc and chord. You can see from the figure. Okay, segment is the region between arc and chord. Now the next question, a circle divides the plane or the plan on which it lies in three parts. How many parts? Three parts. Interior on the circle and the exterior. So this is interior part, This is on the circle and this is the exterior part. Okay, so when a circle divides the plan, it divides into three parts. Okay, it divides into three parts. Which three parts? Interior, exterior, and on the circle. Okay, now the next question. True or false? Give reason for your answer. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is radius of the circle. So what is the statement? If you draw a line segment from center to on the circle like this, like this, like this, like this, okay, all the line segment which is from the center to the circle, okay, it is called the radius. The direction doesn't matter on which direction you are drawing, but the line segment, okay, the line segment from center to on the circle, it is called the radius of the circle. Now next question. What is the next question? True or false? Give reason for your answer. A circle has only finite number of equal chords. Okay, so this statement is false because a circle has infinite number of equal chords. See, if we have a circle, you can draw a chord here, you can draw a chord here, you can draw a chord here, you can draw a chord here. Okay, there are infinite number of chords, okay, which are equally in size. There is no number of limit that the chord will be in the circle. So there are infinite number of chords in the given circle which have equal lengths. Okay, now the next question. True or false? Give reason for your answer. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, okay, if a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc, okay, each is a major arc. So this statement will be false because if you divide a circle into three equal parts, okay, three equal arcs, okay, each will be a minor arc. See, if this is a circle, if we have this circle and divide it into three parts like one, so this is the first part, it will be a minor arc. This is the second part, it will be a minor arc. So first of all, let us understand what is major arc and minor arc. So it will be helpful for your understanding. If this is a circle and if you make a chord, so this will be our minor arc and this will be our major arc. So if you divide into three equal parts, okay, sorry, into three equal arcs, okay, it will be a minor arc, not a major arc. Now the next question. True or false? Give reason for your answer. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as radius is the diameter of the circle. So this is a true statement because diameter is always 2 times of the radius. Okay, so diameter is always 2 times the radius, so it is a true statement. Now the next question. True or false? Give reason for your answer. Sector is a region between the chord and corresponding arcs. Okay, this statement is false because it is a segment. I have already explained you that segment is the region between chord and arc. Okay, now the next question. Give the reason for your answer. True and false. Circle is a plane figure. This statement is true because it is a two-dimensional concept. So it will be a plane, only x and y axis will be there. If you include the z axis, it will become sphere or anything else. Okay, so circle is a plane figure in the two-dimensional plane. The set of intersection of all radii of a circle, okay, is the center of the circle. Okay, when a point, when all radius meet, it is a center. The set of union of all the radii of the circle, okay, it will be a circle and its interior part. If you add the all radii means the plural form of the radius. Okay, so if you add all the radius, it will become a circle and its interior part. The measure of the longest chord of the circle is 2r, because the longest chord is the diameter and the length of the diameter is equal to 2 times the radius. So length of the diameter will be 2 times the radius, so it is a 2r. The length of circular arc for the circle is circumference. Okay, if you make the maximum arc, it will become the circumference. So the length of the circular arc of the circle is known as circumference. A and B are N. P means the center of circle is P and radius is 10. So AB is a chord. Now 3 distinct points on the circle are not non-collinear, because the circle is in the circular shape. So the 3 points which is distinct, which are different, so it will never be linear, it will be non-collinear. Now true or false? The measure of the longest chord of circle of center P and radius 3 will be 6, because radius will be multiplied with 2. It will give the answer of the diameter, and the diameter is the longest chord, so it is equal to 6. True or false? Any chord of a circle is a diameter of a circle. Any chord of a circle is the diameter of a circle. False, because the longest chord is, and the chord which is passing through, the center, that is the diameter. Okay, all chords are not the diameter of the circle. True and false. If A and B are on the circle, then AB is a chord of a circle. Okay, this is true, because when 2 points are on the circle, it will form a chord. Okay, now, and if it is passing through center, it is called diameter. The center of the circle, the diameter. Okay, sorry, I think there is some mistake in the question. The chord passing through the center of the circle is the diameter. So now this is true, because the center of the circle is the midpoint of the diameter. Now the last question. If points x and y are in the interior of the circle, then xy does not intersect the circle. True, because every point on xy are in the interior of the circle, so it will not intersect the circle. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.